How's it going, guys? I'm gonna take apart these spindles. As you can see, they've been sitting outside for a while. I'm gonna change my disc brakes, rebuild the calipers, change the wheel brakes, and change the wheel studs. I bought these with these extended ones. I'm gonna wanna change them to some blocks or ARPs. And as you can see, this one's loose. So I believe is stripped or something. Check it out to see if I might need to change the hub or not. Gonna change, like I said, everything, wheel bearings, everything I could change on it. As you can see, I'm doing it in my basement right now because it's too cold to do it outside, and don't want to be in the backyard either. I'll keep you guys updated. Some bags to put the bolts in. As you can see, it's been out for a long time. Remove the caliper. Looks like the bolt broke. Let's see. Let's see. Let's take the bracket first. Let's see what's going on here. Looks like it's a 16. Let me take it out. Mm-mm-mm-mm. 17. Yes, 17. Yes. Let's use the regular one. Now I'm gonna have to use my impact. Be right back. All right. Let's go get my impact. If this doesn't work, I have to go get a 1/2-inch socket from outside and use my 1/2-inch socket. As you can see, it did the job. Put this aside real quick. Looks like the brake caliper got stuck to the disc. Yeah, got stuck. As you can see. probably have to see if I could hit that out once I got my hammer upstairs. Let's see what we can use to get this out. Still had a bunch of life on him. Well, I'm definitely not gonna reuse them. Let's check the other one out. See, it didn't break. I assumed it broke, but it didn't. So we're good. We're good. You guys can see. And it's like it's stuck here. Gonna replace that. So no need for that. I'm gonna tomorrow or sometime this week pass a wire wheel through it. And see, as you can see, the seal is broken. Gonna replace that and the seal inside. Just waiting for them to come in. Think I'm gonna change the bleeder too. I was told they Integra spindles and brakes, but as we all know, people lie. Throw these stuff. Finally, took it out. I'm gonna put this to the side. As we can see, this is the loosed one. See, it came out. It came out. See, just getting it ready for when the parts come. I do have the disc brakes. Still gotta buy the brake pads. I have the rear brake shoes. Waiting for my drum brakes. I'm going disc in later future. So, you know, I have the bushing, the ball joints upstairs. But for right now, I'm just getting everything ready. I'm gonna paint it black. I'm gonna paint these gray or maybe black. It depends. I don't know yet. I like the factory look, so most likely some type of gray. So let's see. You can see the wood joint is ripped here and doesn't have that much play, but gotta say to sorry. Let's take this out right here so you can see it has the clips. It has the C-clip right here. Let me see. I have to go upstairs and get the snap ring pliers. Alright, got the snap ring pliers. Let's see how I can do it. Being that they've been sitting out so long, they got rusted. Oof. As we can see, it's only getting loose on one side. So I'm gonna have to bang it in a little bit. Got my pliers right here. I mean, again, I don't care if it breaks. I have new ones upstairs. Let's see. There we go. It was stuck in there. Yeah, I can see I had to destroy the snap ring, but getting new ones. To do this is the same process on both sides. I'll get back to you guys when I get the other one. Well, as you can see, everything's taken apart. Like I said, maybe tomorrow I'll sand it down, give it a little paint. Let's see what tomorrow brings us. Still waiting for the wheel bearings to come in, the new studs, ball joints I have. Oh, and I have to buy new brake pads for these front ones to have them more ready, so when the snow goes away, or it could be a little bit more warmer, I could be outside putting it on. Till next time, guys, thank you.